This is a Ford Explorer 2021, and we are going to activate the remote starter.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
What we have here is a vehicle security module. This is the part number, and we are going to connect this and then activate the function of remote start. So join me as I am going to install this module and activate. But first we need to remove the power supply battery. This is a protocol. We need to remove the ground of the battery. Oops.
You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Pick the worst of the same. Take the best from us.
Hi sir.
How are you?
Good. This is the security jumper. Why you have two jumpers? This is the harness.
Finish. What is you have to do?
Yes. And this is the module.
But you tell me we can retain it. Are you sure? خلاص.
Huh?
After that we cannot retain it.
He said?
He said before we can remove the plastic we can retain it. But I think can't see. We do it already before.
I'm going to connect here. This is the sensitivity adjustment, and this is where the jumper will go. We are going to connect this below. It's very dark, I cannot see. Let's see how we can find the connector on the inside. So I will just remove the connector and I'll get back. So here is the connector removed. This yes, it fits in, and then this male, oh no, female, I'm going to return. So now we need to cycle. Cycle on and off. And then that will be same.
Because you have to key.
Hmm?
You forget to bring the other key.
Why?
The other key you need program also?
No. So this is the jumper. We are going to connect the jumper here. Just like that. And then cycle it again. On. And then off. Then we will be needing this we have here our OBD link adapter, OBD to adapter. Connect it like that. Connect to my PC. Okay. And then we should switch technician. Okay. Let's start for scan. And connect to the vehicle. Okay. Sir, do you want to keep the park light on when you do the remote start?
Yes.
Okay.
And also I need the AC it's working if you can.
The which one? The AC?
AC.
Yes. You
And
want the
I need
AC working?
Working cold, and when I open the door he will be working in. Just I
Yes,
put
yes,
the
of
key.
course, yes.
But if I want to go outside, because before I have Victoria.
Yes.
I'm keep the car,
Mhm.
plug and go.
And then
Because it's hot too much outside.
Yeah.
Now I don't have. In this like this I want this.
We
If
will-
we can keep it, I can remove the key
Mhm.
and close and the car it's working. We can? I don't know.
no.
Because the Canadian module we have, but this original. I don't know in the original we have or not.
We will see if we can configure like that. Configuration and programming body control module. Remote enable remote start parking lights. Enable. How many minutes you want the remote start to be working?
Maximal what we have.
We have 15 minutes.
The maximum
And-
keep it 15.
Yeah, 15. Right. Okay. Okay. Cycle off. On. Let's go to climate. No, maybe from here. It's back. It's back. Remote start. Enable. Start. Stop. Right. Let's go to panel, instrument panel. And let's find remote start climate settings. Enable. Remote start climate settings enabled. Remote driver seat. Do you have the driver seat air condition?
No.
Remote start steering wheel. So let's why? It does not allow. So we will try. We need to close the hood
Yeah.
in order to
That's like.
why like that? Ah, okay. I don't have car. I don't like that.
Mashallah, you're a programmer.
We will just close. Let's try. Do you hear the air condition? It clicks.
No, it's close. I don't know. Any condition for.
Now everything is tested. I'll just go and fix this. Keep. Omar. Please. Have your catalog here.
Yes.
You need anything? Yes. Need that. And that's it. Done.
Engine on off. Chin diesel. Chin.
Yes.
Lock. Open lock.
Lock. Unlock. Lock.
No. Lock.
Unlock. Lock.
Unlock. Lock.
Yes. The same sequence for the switch off. Okay, sir. If you want to try, you can try. This is the jumper that will activate the remote start. Yes. The AC work.